Welcome! In front of me I have Lenovo Ego Smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from an iPhone. First, we need to open the Lenovo Live application on our iPhone. In the application, you should see the home screen. Now tap on the profile icon. Select the Ego from the list of devices. Tap on Unbind. Tap on Unbind again. Then tap on Confirm. The Ego will disappear from the list of devices right here. Now close the app. Open the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. So let's go to the settings, Bluetooth. And here you should have the device code HX07. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on Forget Device. And tap on Forget Device to confirm. And now, as you can see, the Bluetooth icon disappeared from the watch. That means that the watch was unpaired from our iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.